So it looks like everyone is expecting the Fed to cut the rate this coming week. And in the preparation of this probable rate cut, I decided to make a few defensive moves. So I sold off a large portion of my Google holdings, which is all I owned. I put 10 grand in gold, I put 10 grand in silver, and 5 grand in copper. I will probably add to that position by next week. Why do I want exposure to precious metals? If we continue to have rising inflation, we get Fed cuts, which means more dollars injected into the economy.
Now, South on in April of 142!
Which then lowers the value of the dollar. Metals historically tend to be an alternate store of value when dollars go down. Why silver? Silver is up over 100% year to date. The reason it's up so much this year, there's low inventory in the London vaults. London is the world's trading hub when it comes to buying and selling silver. And they were low inventory up until November, and I think it's replenished now. And there continues to be a high industrial demand for silver.
At the moment, a standard electric vehicle has about 25 grams of silver. Maybe the larger EVs have 50 grams of silver as part of their components.
Silver is used for things like EVs, electronics, solar panels, wind turbines, the list goes on. Companies are stocking up in anticipation of more tariffs. All these factors are why silver had an incredible year. And according to analysts, this continues to be the story going into 2026. Now, why copper? Similar story to silver. Copper futures up over 30% for the year. I bought Sprott ETF, which is up over 56% year to date. But again, it's a similar story to silver. It's an inflation hedge, also used heavily in manufacturing, a lot of electronics, but also now data centers. And finally, the case for gold. Historically, it's been the standard in terms of representing the store of value. Countries have been loading up on gold over the past couple years to protect themselves from any risk of geopolitical moves that could devalue their own currency, or they want to decouple from the US dollar. They don't want to hold just US dollars. Understandably so. So yeah, those are my moves as of late. My portfolio is down slightly ending this week. We'll see what happens next week. The leftover amount is in a money market fund. There's a few other stocks that look appealing. Who knows? I might just end up buying back into Google. Let me know in the comments what you guys think in terms of inflation plays.